Good morning, students. Now see all of you page number 17, chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. Now today's paragraph is Administration in the Kingdoms. In this paragraph we have to understand how new kings like Rashtrakutas, Pals, Gurjar Pratihar, now who were the established their new kingdoms, how they ruled over their new kingdoms. Now we have to understand in this paragraph. So try to understand and listen carefully. Many of these new kings, now who were these new kings, adopted high sounding titles. Now they adopted themselves. Now titles here, names, high sounding names like these, such as Maharaja Dhiraj. Underline this word. This is one of the high sounding title. So these new kings they adopted. Maharaja Dhiraj means great king, king of king, we can say, great king or lord of kings. Now another title is Tribhuvan Chakravartin. Underline this word also. Tribhuvan Chakravartin. It means Lord of the three worlds. Lord of the three worlds. And so on. Like this, who were the new kings, now they adopted themselves to describe themselves high sounding titles, to praise themselves. However, in spite of such claims, now all of you see page number 18. Now students, in spite of such claims, they often shared power with their samants as well as with associations of peasants. Now listen this paragraph, above paragraph, this one. Traders and Brahmins means they claimed themselves they were great kings, as well as they shared their power. With whom they shared their power? With their samants, with their subordinates, with their supporters, as well as with the associations of peasants. Associations of peasants means the union groups, peasants group. Now they shared with them, traders group and Brahmins. Now this paragraph see. In each of these states, in every states, now you can see how they ruled their area or regions. So in each of these states, resources were obtained. Here resources means, we can say, some things means things were collected, resources were obtained from the producers, means in form of grains, in form of production, whatever they produce. Now which these were collected from the producers. Who were the producers? That is like peasants, cattle keepers, artisans. Artisans means workers. Whatever they produce, so from the production, so these states means these rulers, kings, with the help of their subordinates, samants, now things were collected as a rent, or we can say the revenue also collected, who were often persuaded or compelled. Underline compelled. Compelled means here to force. Now such a producers, they were forced to submit their things, whatever they produce, to the state. Now surrender part of what they produce. Surrender, here underline surrender. Surrender means give up. Now they were persuaded. Persuaded means now changed their mind to submit their production to the states, and sometime now they were forced to submit to the state whatever they produce. Sometimes these were claimed as a rent. Now whatever they collected, so what was this one? That was a rent, we can say the lagan, due to lord who asserted, underline asserted means declare. Why they collected lagan? Why they collected such type of rent? Because these kings, they declared themselves as the lord, their lord, that he owned the land because they were the master of the state and land and area. Revenue was also collected from traders. Revenue also collected from the traders. Now remaining paragraph in next clip. Thank you very much.